Good afternoon to you. A little more cloud than we'd like out there today. The sunshine in short supply. Outbreaks of rain for some, but for all of us, a mild start to the new month. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. An awful lot of grey sky, extensive cloud in many locations, a touch brighter through the Midlands and the southwest, and the earlier rain easing from northern Britain and the southeast after a bit of a soggy start. Into the afternoon, much of the rain concentrated across the western side of Scotland once more. Dribs and drabs across Northern Ireland, staying quite breezy with misty low cloud as well as some hill fog, otherwise staying drier and a touch clearer, and for all of us, a notably mild start to October. Highs of 20 degrees in the south, elsewhere highs of 18 or 19 degrees. And it stays dull and damp to end the day across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. The rain on and off through this evening and tonight, as well as the small hours, otherwise staying dry with some misty low cloud to start the new day in places, but staying very much on the mild side. Temperatures not slipping much below 14 or 15 degrees. Good evening to you. A lot of cloud in the next 24 hours, the sunshine in short supply, outbreaks of rain for some, and for all of us, a mild start to October. Temperatures a little above those you'd expect for the time of year. Lots of action from the mid-Atlantic as the week wears on in the form of these systems to bring rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland initially, transferring eastwards to all locations as Thursday wears on, quite brisk winds, and then a short respite before Storm Amy makes its mark come the end of the week. Damaging gusts of wind. We're going to see widespread gales, some very heavy persistent rainfall, so some disruptive conditions as we approach Friday and through into the early hours of Saturday. As for the next few hours, split conditions with the clearer skies across the south, misty low cloud across Scotland and Northern Ireland with further pulses of rain moving through, and a similar scene into the small hours with this weather, well, staying very mild. Temperatures will be capped at around about 14 or 15 degrees into the new day, notably mild given the time of year, staying dull and damp across parts of Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland and those Irish Sea coastal counties. Elsewhere, a little calmer and a little drier with a few breaks in the cloud once early misty low cloud and patches of fog lift. And then through the course of the morning, we'll see occasional autumn sunshine breaking through the clouds through England and Wales, but generally a lot of grey sky. And the rain on and off across Scotland before steadier rain moves across Northern Ireland and into western Scotland through the afternoon. Significant, steady and heavy rain. Already we've seen a good deal of rainfall across the western side of Scotland, little let up here, brisk winds, staying drier further east and further south and staying mild, highs of 21. Good evening to you. A lot of cloud in the next 24 hours. The autumn sunshine in short supply. Outbreaks of rain for some, and for all of us, a mild start to October. Temperatures doing better than you'd expect for the time of year. Further pulses of rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland tonight. Misty low cloud as well as some hill fog extending through many northern and western coastal counties. Elsewhere, staying a little drier and calmer, and for all of us, so mild. Temperatures not slipping much below 14 or 15 degrees. Into the new day, very much a split scenario again, with the rain on and off across western Scotland. Little let up here. The rain has been persisting for quite some time and there's more to come in the form of this steady and notable rain from Northern Ireland moving into Scotland later tomorrow. Quite a brisk wind associated with this rainfall. Otherwise staying drier, a little calmer, occasional autumn sunshine but a lot of cloud, and for all of us staying very much on the mild side. Highs of 20 or 21 degrees through the afternoon. See you soon. Have a good night.